Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to link your Spotify account to Alexa step by step so you can enjoy hands-free music streaming on your Alexa-enabled devices. First, make sure your Alexa device is powered on and connected to the internet. You'll also need the Alexa app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Step 1. Open the Alexa app on your mobile device. Make sure you are signed in with the Amazon account linked to your Alexa device. Step 2. Tap the More button in the bottom right corner of the app and select Settings from the menu. Step 3. Scroll down and select Music and Podcasts. This is where you can manage and link music services to Alexa. Step 4. Tap Link New Service and select Spotify from the list of available services. Step 5. Tap Enable to use. You will be redirected to the Spotify login page. Enter your Spotify account credentials and authorize Alexa to access your account. Step 6. Once the account is successfully linked, you can set Spotify as your default music service by tapping Default Services in the Music and Podcasts settings. Select Spotify under both the Music and Artist and Genre Stations sections. Step 7. Now your Spotify account is linked to Alexa. You can start using voice commands like, "Alexa, play my Discover Weekly on Spotify," or "Alexa, play relaxing music from Spotify." Now your Alexa device is ready to stream Spotify anytime hands-free. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tech and streaming guides.